So BO equal to OD equal to BD by 2. BD is 5.8 or not? Right. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Right. And 8 by 2 is 0.4. So it is 2.9 or not? Okay. So BO equal to OD equal to 2.9 centimeter. Okay. Is it clear? First BO and OD. So now if I divide this, so this is my 2.9. This is also 2.9. Next, AO and OC. Similarly, AO equal to OC equal to AC by 2. AC is 8. So it is 4 or not? So therefore, AO equal to OC equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. I am repeating this once again. See over here. If it is parallelogram ABCD, if it is parallelogram ABCD, AB is 4.5, AC is 8, and BD is 5.8. Right. So here AB is 4.5, AC is 8, and BD is 5.8. Since it is parallelogram, if AB is 4.5, then its opposite side also 4.5 or not? So if AB is 4.5, then CD is also 4.5. What about AC and BD? Right. So here your AC is 8 centimeter. Right. So AO equal to OC equal to AC by 2, which is equal to 4 centimeter. BD is 5.8. Right. So BO equal to OD equal to 5.8 by 2 is equal to 2.9 centimeter. So is it clear till now? Okay, now we have to use this. Now tell me, so Madhusudan, is it clear now? Chalo. Now with using all this information, how can I plot this parallelogram? Or any part of this parallelogram is there which I can draw with the help of this information? Right. Is there any part of parallelogram which I can draw with the help of this information? Tell me. AOB, yes, we can draw triangle AOB or not? Okay, so let us try to plot triangle AOB first, right? Yes, AOB and COD. So C over here. Yes, after that we can extend those lines, right? So how I can plot this triangle AOB when three sides are given? First I'll plot AB or not? AB equal to 4.5 centimeter. So here I will plot first side AB equal to 4.5 centimeter. Is it clear now? Right. So our steps of construction. We will draw AB equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now when we got this AB equal to 4.5 centimeter, after that we can take one arc of 4 centimeter or not, which will give me AO. Right. So I'll draw an arc of 4 centimeter with center as O above AB. So with center as A, right, and with the help of compass, I will take center as A, radius equal to 4 centimeter, and I'll draw one arc above AB. Right, suppose this is my arc. So my step 2, I will take with center A and radius is equal to 4 centimeter, I will draw an arc above AB. Is it clear? This we were doing previously as well, isn't it? In the same way, with center as B and radius as 2.9 or not? So now with center as B and radius as 2.9, 2.9 somewhere like this, I will draw another arc. Okay, my voice is cracking. Yes, because of net issues, I can say. So third step, with center B, or with center as B and radius equal to 2.9 centimeter, I will draw an arc which will intersect previously drawn arc or previous arc at O. Okay, which will intersect previous arc at O. So now if I connect these points, right, now this is my O. Now if I connect this AO and BO, so there are part of this diagonals or not, right? So now I will connect this AO and BO. Is it clear? Please give me some response. So I will connect AO and BO. Okay. So next step is join AO and BO. Chalo, now where we have to move forward? From AO, we can see that OC is also having same length in that direction, right? So now our next step is extend this AO, right? Extend this AO such that AO equal to OC, right? And you can get your point C. So extend AO such that AO equal to OC and you can get your point C. Give me a minute. Yes. So such that AO equal to OC and you can get your point C. In the same way, extend BO such that BO equal to OD. This you can extend or not? Tell me. Right, just you have to keep your scale and with the help of pencil and scale, just you have to extend this. Okay. So this is your BO and OD. Okay. So our next step is extend AO and BO such that AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD. ओके, एक्सटर्न AO एंड BO आप इसमें एक और चीज ऐड कर सकते हैं, एक्सटर्न AO एंड BO टू C and D points respectively, to C and D respectively, such that AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD. Okay. Now what is our next step, students? Just connect all these points, right? Now connect C and D, right? Join C and D. So you will get CD over here. Then connect B and C. So you will get BC over here. And connect A and D. so that you can get AD over here. Is it clear? Okay. So in the last step, join C and D, comma B and C, and A and D, right? So here quadrilateral ABCD is the required parallelogram. Is it clear now? Please give me some response. This is clear or not? Right. So how we have used property of parallelogram in rough sketch first, and with the help of property, how we have drawn this construction or how we have completed this construction. This is clear? So in a similar way, you are having different types of construction, different special cases. Parallelogram, square and rhombus. One case of parallelogram, question number 6. One case of square and rectangle. So for today's homework, see, there is no need to write any formula book over here, right? Because this is only your formula. That for in formula book, just write this. That in formula book, just you have to write this one step. That when 3 angles and 2 sides are given, we will use this formula, right? Just this thing you write in formula book for only one time, right? It is enough, right? Or you can write 2 times, right? Only for 2 times it is enough. So write this in formula book for 2 times, and in regular book, try all questions of ATEM 4.3 exam corner. Okay, try all questions of ATEM 4.3 exam corner. It is clear now? Right. So Monday we will have test discussion session, and Wednesday we will have your doubt solving of ATEM 4.3. Is it clear? Okay. So you will get your answer sheets by Sunday and one Google form. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a great day. See you in next class. Okay. Samarth is asking something, sir. In parallelogram question, can we write that action BO such that BO plus OD is 5.8? Yes, you can also write Samarth, no issue. Right. But I will suggest that write that only that what your schools are following, right? Or what is the method is followed in your school or class teacher. Right, because that will give you marks. Right, marks will be given in Google Classroom. Marks will be given in Google Classroom, and answer sheet you can find on your mail. Chalo, who is absent? Okay.